So everything we will cover in this video. In this video, we will talk about how you will register yourself in the commune or municipality when you move to Luxembourg, and after that how you will apply for your residence permit. Process is really easy and fast. Hello friends, welcome to PakTurkblogger channel. So friends, today in this video we will talk about how you will register yourself in the commune or municipality when you arrive to Luxembourg, and after that how you will apply for your residence permit. So everything we will cover in this video. So let's get started. When you move to Luxembourg, the first thing you will do, you will register yourself in the municipality or commune. Like if you are living in Ash, then you will go to Ash Commune. In all cities there is commune office. You go there, register yourself with your supporting documents. I think they will ask you about your authorization of stay. You should have one address, like where you will be living. If you are working, then maybe you need job contract. So once you register yourself in the commune, they will give you one certificate, and with that certificate you can open your bank account or whatever you want to do. And when you apply for residence permit, you will also attach that paper. So how you will apply for residence permit? The process is really easy. I think we can cover it in this video. So guys, the first step you already know, like before coming here you will have your authorization of stay. With that authorization of stay, you will get your visa to come to Luxembourg. When you come to Luxembourg, then you will register yourself in your commune in Luxembourg. Then you have to go for a medical checkup where you will do your TB test. I will also share the list of the supporting documents there. You will check it. You will pay your residence card fee. I think it's €80, but you will check on the website. You will also see it there. Process here is really easy, fast, because I have friends who living in different European countries, and when they apply for residence permit, it takes really like 3 to 4 months, or in some cases more than 6 months if you are living in Poland. Because I have some friends from Poland, they always complaining about the someone is applying, it takes a lot of time, like 2, 3, 4 months to get the residence permit. But here in Luxembourg, within 1 month, I think if you complete all the documents, less than 1 month you can get your residence permit. Because Luxembourg is a small country. Other countries getting residence permit, it takes a lot of time, but luckily in Luxembourg you can get your residence permit really quickly. Because sometimes you have to travel, you have to go to abroad, like in Europe it's easy, but even when you apply for residence permit, you will stuck in that country. Like for example, if I live in Czech Republic and I don't have my residence card, I cannot go outside of Czech Republic. I have to live there until I get my residence permit. But in Luxembourg, you will get your residence permit in 2-3 weeks. So it's really good. I really appreciate it. So guys, that's it from my side. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment box. I see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.